It is with great happiness that they part.
Happy? If I had to say goodbye to Toothless, that would be pretty sad.
Sadness is a matter of perspective, Hiccup. It is how you choose to view something.
You've looked after us for long enough. Time to look after yourselves. I was so busy fighting for a world that I wanted. I didn't think about what you needed.
Toothless is the best friend I've ever had.
You're my best friend,
but I'll always remember we have had the time of our lives.
I looked at him and I saw myself.
Hey.
Thank you for saving my son.
Berk, Dragon Academy.
We are a team. Everyone has a role. No one person is better or more important than another.